All right, so things got pretty busy this afternoon, so I'm just now sitting down to identify these plants. They have not done that well in this little vase, unfortunately, so I don't know exactly how this is going to turn out, but we're scientists and we will find solutions to the problem. So I was just going to use Google, like find a um, identify them that way. And apparently there's an app. I'm doing the free version of it right now. And it's called Hi Porgie. Porgie, I guess, wants to say hello. Say hi. See your friends? So that's Porgie. Anyways, it's called Plantsnap, and all you do is take a picture and so this one, and it actually pops up. Huh. That was really easy. So this flower right here that I found in my backyard is called Philadelphia fleabane, which is a species of composite, something like that. It's also known as daisy, fleabane, robin's plantain, frost root, and skiverish. So it is. Oh, apparently it's an unwanted. Even though it's really pretty, it's considered a weed because it's an unwanted plant because it competes with other plants for resources. And Porgie keeps wanting to eat these plants, and I don't want her to because they might not be safe for cats. So if I keep pausing, it's because I don't want Porgie to get hurt. All right. Ooh, so this is actually has a certain level of toxicity, especially its pollen. So this one is not a safe plant. It's a pretty plant, but it's not safe. Therefore, it's going outside. Hey, now I know. Let's see if I can do another one. See, they're pretty wilted. So let's see what I can find. So this one here, which is all wilted now, is quite pretty. See, Porgie's coming to smell it, but no ma'am, no ma'am. Anyways, this one's called a pink ladies. So it's a species of evening primroses. This known as pink evening primrose, showy evening primrose, Mexican primrose, and amapola. And its botanical name is Ornithera speciosa. It almost sounds like Harry Potter. You know, like a spell. Anyway, so they're considered an invasive weed with strong rampancy, meaning that they can just really take over an area. Even though it is striking, it's considered a striking garden plant. It should be treated with caution, and because it's fine if it's like just little cluster of them, but apparently it can turn into a tricky weed to control. And you do not consume these. It says it's not consumable, especially if you eat it in large quantities. So make sure your dogs, cats really don't go outside, but at least mine don't. make sure your dogs don't eat these kind of flowers. And back to nature it goes. Let's see. This is a really cool app though. And I'm actually learning quite some new things. I didn't know I had so many plants that are not, well, I mean, we don't eat anything out of our yard. So there was one I wanted to see. This little purple nap porgie. Porgie. It's not for Porgie. She's just a very curious cat. Well, I could tell you this bundle over here, this is your standard clover. I didn't find any 4-leaf ones, unfortunately. So I have, looks like, sorry. Couldn't really see the flower, so now I got to retake it. That one did not get a match that I could find. So let's see if this last one. This one found it, this one. So we'll end with this one. It is really, it's hard to see. I'm also like learning how to do videoing things. Anyways, it's kind of orangish reddish in color. It's called a scarlet pimpernel. It's a species of loosestrifes and is known as poor man's weatherglass, red chickweed, poor man's barometer, shepherd's clock. And the botanical name is Lysmisia arvinaris. Botany is just kind of like a newish, you know, hobby of mine. Okay. It's a summer, so it's an actual flower, so this one's not considered a weed. So that's cool. So out of all the other ones that we've gotten to look at, this is an actual flower. When found as a summer annual, the scarlet pimpernel is a low-growing, creeping habit. So it's very low to the ground. It kind of goes across instead of just straight up. So, and then if you find in the winter, it forms a half rosette with an upright stem. So it has a weak, sprawling stem with a square cross section that grows about 1 97/100ths to 11 81/100ths in long. Though the stems bear bright green soft and leaves in opposite pairs. You can also see them in orange This one was like orangish red and blue. And they're very small, and so interesting. So that was this app. I am just doing this free trial about it. And what's really cool is that obviously I decided to take these plants out from their habitat because I wanted to bring them inside. And notice I am not in my office right now. I am in my kitchen. I wanted to change the scenery for this. Anyway, so with this, if you're going on like a nature walk or anything like that, it's something that you can get on a phone, and there's ways to keep it doing it for free, because I don't want to. This app isn't the greatest, but it'll do. It's much better than having to look it up in my other resources. Anyways, it's called Plantsnap. So it's really neat though. Well, with that said, thank you for going on this plant journey with me today. And until next time, so long, farewell to you, my friend. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. I said so long, farewell to you, my friend. Goodbye for now, until we meet again. Bye, guys.